This right here is affiliate commissions that I received on my ClickBank account. And what I actually did was really different. I kind of set up this like automation email, you know, the vacation settings where you can actually have an auto response using Gmail. And I've actually been using this little trick or tool to make some money online, which is very interesting because it's actually all automated. And firstly, all you'll need is your mobile phone because you can access ClickBank on the mobile website, and you just need the Gmail app to set this up. You don't need any skills, you don't need to invest any money, you don't need to buy any programs to do this. It all comes for free on Google. Gmail is free, ClickBank is free to sign up on, and it's worldwide. And you don't only have to use ClickBank, you can use other platforms such as Warrior Plus, JVZoo, other affiliate marketing platforms that are worldwide, so anybody can do this and earn anywhere in the world. And if you have these three things, you are in the best of luck, because that is all you need to succeed with this strategy. But if you don't have these three things, don't stress. Make sure to watch each step with me in this video, as I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. You really don't want to miss this. I mean, if you're really passionate about generating some income online, I really suggest giving this video a watch. It's only about 10 to 12 minutes, and you will learn a really useful high income skill regarding affiliate marketing. But without further ado, if you're new to the channel, just quickly, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video and subscribe down below, because I'm uploading on the daily the latest ways to make money online and build an income online. So I suggest subscribe with the bell on so that I can send you a message so you can be the first to my videos to ultimately beat the competition online and be the first to get that strategy and make the most money online. But without further ado, we're going to hop straight into my PC and kill it with this method. So we're now inside of my computer, and the first website that you want to come and visit and sign up on is clickbank.com. Don't worry, I'm not going to waste any time. So all you do is open up the sign up page over here. You can see all you need is country, first name, last name, email address, password, continue with terms and conditions, sign up. Once you're done, you'll be taken over to your dashboard that looks like this. You want to come over to the marketplace button over here, and we need to go and find a product. But before we quickly go and choose a product, I want to actually reveal a secret to you guys. This is a free tool that I've been using that has generated me a huge ton of money online, simply because I've been able to identify trends around the world. So this tool, trends.google.com, allows you to identify what products, what terms are trending around the world, so we can capitalize on that, monetize that, and make the most money online. So let's say for example, we're going to type in fitness. So fitness is obviously a huge trending topic at the moment. Just with the lockdown and that ending, it is trending around the world. You'll see, let me just quickly go to worldwide. This is just set on the United States. And you can see over here, it's slowly but surely starting to trend again, and it's kind of plateauing at a flat line. But slowly but surely, it's starting to go up more and more as we go along the past couple of months. I mean, it used to only be at about 49, 51 rating. Now it's up there in the late 60s. So the trend is slowly but surely increasing more and more. So I want to capitalize on this by coming over to ClickBank. You want to come over to health and fitness, and we can go and choose a health and fitness product. And something that I've been promoting a lot lately is, let me just quickly filter by gravity. You always want to filter by gravity because these are the top products that are performing the best right now. This one over here is one that I've been promoting a lot, is the custom keto diet, otherwise the Lepitox, huge commissions. I really like this one because they pay up to 80% commissions. But before we just go and get our affiliate link and go and promote that out there, there's one or two things that we need to do. Firstly, always take a look at the affiliates resource page to see any resources that will help you get more conversions and more affiliate commissions with this product. So you'll see here, they will have an affiliate page over here, which is an exclusive page for you as an affiliate to get free emails, free banners, free websites to help you and go and promote this tool to essentially make more affiliate commissions. And also, I suggest click on the link of this product to go and check out the website. I suggest go and learn a little bit about this product, because there's no point in going and promoting a product that you have no clue how it works, because obviously you need to have some knowledge around this product. So obviously this Lepitox product is all about losing weight, and a weight product, a hack, you could kind of call it, that kills food cravings and melts fat. So it's all about weight loss and obviously getting those body goals that fitness people want to achieve. But remember, you are welcome to go and choose any product in any different niche. Not only health and fitness, you can use home and garden, languages. There's so many different niches that you can use. You can also use this strategy for multiple products and multiple niches to get 2 or 3 streams of income from 2 to 3 different products at the same time. Also, I want to show you something that is really, really important when choosing a product, is the gravity. So here you can see on the Lepitox huge commissions, the gravity is 191, which means in the last 30 days, 191 people who have made commissions with this product, which is good. That's a lot of people. You can see the top one at the moment is 521. So this product is obviously good quality. It's selling. A lot of people are buying. It's obviously working for people as more and more people are recommending it, which is why you always want to filter by gravity. So the next step is come over to your product. I'm going to choose the LepiTalks, click on promote, and over here on this tab, type in your username, click on generate hop links. This over here is your unique affiliate link that you can go and use to promote. And when people click on this and purchase this keto and purchase this LepiTalks product, you are going to get, let me just copy this over here, you're going to get $77.99 per sale that you make. And from here, you want to convert this trend and this offer into essentially affiliate sales and affiliate commissions. So this part is really going to be important because I'm going to explain to you each and every step that I took to kind of utilize this trend to make the most out of it and to get a lot of traffic onto this offer and to convert into at least 1 or 2 sales on a daily or weekly basis. And what I want you to do is I want you to come over to Google and you want to do some research on any success stories of this LepiTalks weight loss product, because you want to go and see what other people are saying, if it's worked for them, so you can kind of answer the question to yourself if it does actually work and it is a quality product to go and promote. So you want to go and see what other people are saying, so you can see here, does the diet supplement really work? How to excel with LepiTalks, does it really work again? Legit or fake, rip-off, revealed. So there's a lot of people obviously putting pros and cons. For some people it's perhaps worked, for some people it perhaps hasn't, but you want to go and check what the general public is saying about the product. And what I also noticed about these different success stories, people also kind of linked articles to these success stories. So for example, you can see here LepiTalks success stories. If I open this on Pinterest, you can go and see here, for example, there's like one person here that obviously did very well. So this person said they lost a whole bunch of fat using the LepiTalks product. And you can see here, if I go back, there's more and more success stories. For example, 10 inspiring success stories from 2018 with LepiTalks product. You can see here 10 inspiring success stories. For example, Kevin obviously lost a lot of weight using the LepiTalks product. This person over here, and there's a whole bunch of stories. They actually have their pictures as proof. So these are some success stories, and these are ways that I actually found how to go and use these to go and monetize our affiliate link to ultimately make money online. So what I've basically been doing this, and I've been doing this in the past as well, and I think this is really a much better way of doing it, is I've been going and using these success stories to go and monetize my affiliate link and to ultimately make commissions online. So what I'm talking about is the power of these success stories combined with social media. And the first social media platform that I'm talking about is called Reddit.com. And for those of you that don't know what Reddit is an entire community where people go and post a whole bunch of different posts in various different niches, such as memes, fitness, questions could be asked, forums, people asking questions, entire communities, groups, that kind of thing. It's very similar to that of Facebook, where you've got your feed, your groups, you've got private groups, you've got pages, but Reddit, instead of pages, has what you call subreddits, kind of like Facebook groups, if you want to call it that. And you can go and utilize these Reddits or groups and communities to go and promote your offer, to give value, and to essentially make some commissions online. And don't stress, because I'm actually going to show you a strategy that I used to do this without spending any ads on Reddit or anything like that, and without actually getting your posts removed. And the next 3 to 4 minutes of this video is really going to be crucial and is going to make or break whether this will work for you. So the first step that you want to do is come over to the search bar on Reddit, and you want to type in, for example, LepiTalks, the product that you have chosen. So search LepiTalks and you will see here a bunch of Reddit's users, articles, and what people have been posting about the LepiTalks product. And as you can see, all these groups over here, such as our Top Science, this person over here, Leptin Cure, Reviews for You, blogs, you want to go and join as many of these groups as possible related or with this LepiTalks product being mentioned in it. And you want to make sure that you only post one post every day, or only even every second day, so it doesn't look like that you're spamming and that your account or posts won't get removed. This is super important because it's important that you look organic as possible when promoting your product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one of these Reddits in a new page. So for example, Reddit/blogs, I'm going to open that in a new tab. And over here, you can see this specific subreddit has just over 25,000 members, which is a lot of members joined in this group, which is a lot of potential money to be made online. One thing that you've got to understand about people is that people love success stories. They like to see other people succeed with the product that they perhaps interested in, because obviously before they go and take the money out of their pocket, it always helps to see other people that have invested in this product, it's working for them. Psychologically, people think this will work for them too. This is a big key in succeeding with affiliate sales. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on create post, so we can go and create our post with our text, our title, and an image and a link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little post or a little script that you can use for this. So I basically constructed this little script over here. This is a success story that I got off the Lepitalk success story website over here, with Kevin's success story on how he lost just over 125 pounds. I basically used the story, pasted this over here, and I kind of mentioned, and this is the super important part, and how the email automation system has been getting me sales with this. At the end of the story, I just said here, he lost 125 pounds using the Lepitalk's weight loss product. And then I've got at the end here, email me on lepitalksweightlasspros@gmail.com and I'll send it straight over to you. But the important thing is Reddit is going to ban a post like this, because simply this email link over here is going to flag Reddit and they're going to ban this post. So what you need to do is to avoid this. Just between the .com, you want to put a space that looks like this, and you want to remove the link, and you want to leave a space between the Gmail and the .com so that Reddit's automation system doesn't pick this up as an email link and won't ban this post. And also for your title, you want to put something like this: Lepitalk success stories, how he did it. And you want to kind of have like a question. How did he do it? How did he succeed with it? Because people are going to see a question. They obviously, this article or this Reddit post is going to answer the question. They want to see the success story. And because it worked for this person, that's what really increases and drives higher conversion rates with this. Because obviously people want to know, what did this person do to succeed with this Lepitalk success story? And this is also a Reddit post that could, if a lot of people click on it, feature on the Google page when somebody does a Google search, such as Lepitalk success story, which then essentially gets more and more traffic to your affiliate link. And you are actually allowed to go and post links to other articles kind of as like a resource. So you can see here, I just got this link to the today.com, which is the article about this weight loss success story using Lepitalks, and that just kind of is like a reference to where this story came from. This is something that Reddit won't ban, so you don't have to stress about this link over here. So quite simply, what we need to go and do is now we need to head over to the settings of our Gmail account that we're using for the strategy. So what I did was I came over to my Gmail account. You need to click on the settings icon over here, and it's going to open up a page like this. If you scroll down, you will see over here vacation responder. You want to enable this. You want to have the first day, the date today, 23rd of October, your subject, and for the title I just put here, Best Lepitalk's diet plan for weight loss, 15% off here. Where I got that 15% is, look here, if I came over to the landing page, it actually gives me this coupon. So you can see here is a coupon, only 5 left to get 15% off the product as a Halloween discount. So this is a great way to hook in more sales, because obviously people want to spend as little money as possible. And when you can give them that, essentially people are going to buy more. So if we come back to the settings over here, we need to go and construct our body of our message. And for the body, I just typed out something as simple as this: Hi, thank you for emailing me. Here is your 15% coupon to your Lepitalks product that I mentioned you can check out, as it helped a lot of people reach their weight loss goals. Just click the link here, and I've got my link. I'm just going to highlight this link and add that to my affiliate product. So when people email me to this email as instructed or as stated on this Reddit post, automatically my email system is going to send them this message back, which looks organic. It looks like I'm sending it to them back, replying personally, which also gives a personal touch to this. And essentially, when people click on this link, they will come over to this landing page over here where they get their 15% coupon. And when they purchase this product, you are going to get $77.99 over and over again for each and every sale that you make. So this is essentially the automated Gmail system that I've been using to send out emails with that personal touch to various people on different social media platforms, at least getting one sale a day. Sometimes I've only been getting a sale a week, but remember, it's a great extra amount of income online. And as well, I'm using completely free traffic. I'm not investing into any ads or Facebook ads or Instagram ads or Pinterest ads. This is all here using free traffic, using free platforms, utilizing my mobile phone, my laptop, and a basic internet connection. So you don't need any capital, and it's quite crazy how you can actually start a business for free these days. So this is a really powerful way to really get some ClickBank commissions online. If you're going to try this out, comment down below. I'd really like to see if any of you get results from this, and if you do, send me a message on Instagram at jfroneman with a screenshot of any results from this, and I will perhaps shout that out on my story on Instagram. But as well, on the screen above, I'll have a playlist to my ClickBank affiliate marketing playlist where you can learn more strategies like this and essentially make the most money online as possible with affiliate marketing. So you're welcome to go check that playlist out on the screen. But until then, take care, and I'll see you there.